Hello wine lovers, welcome to the educational series. I'm Cees from Casteren, Master of Wine, and today we are going to look at reductive winemaking versus oxidative winemaking. And the best place to do this is at Matetic in San Antonio in Chile, where the winemaker is making both a more oxidative style Chardonnay and a very reductive Sauvignon Blanc. Enjoy.
Welcome, I'm Julio Bastidas. I am a winemaker here in Matetic Vineyards, and I want to explain to you how we have a really specific technique to ferment or to get the juice in the Sauvignon Blanc. Okay. What we have here is a really specific equipment. It's a Booker press with a inert gas system. That means in that balloon that you see in the back, we fill it with nitrogen. So during all the process of pressing, pressing the fruit, the skins and the juice are never in contact with oxygen, only with nitrogen. And the idea to do that is just to avoid unnecessary oxidation, just to keep the aromatic profile intact. So with that equipment and with that technique, we can have a beautiful citric and tropical fruit without any damage. So the idea is just to keep the sense of the fruit or the sense of the place. In the other hand, we have another kind of press. It's an open basket press. It's the gray one in the back. So we use it for Chardonnay. And in that equipment, we love to have oxygen interaction. So we need oxygen. We need the oxidation process just to develop fruity character, like a honey, like a peach character. So then the juice is going directly on barrels to run the fermentation for Chardonnay in a classical or in a traditional way for made the Chardonnay here in Matetic.